Let's say the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 has the solution of x equal alpha or x equal beta. This actually comes from this equation here. Now let's expand this equation out. Let's say this equation here, if I expand this out, x times x is x squared, and x times minus beta is minus beta x. And minus alpha times x is minus alpha x. And minus alpha times minus beta is plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now, if I expand this, if I factorize these terms out, I take the negative factor out, so it give me this. So now, with this equation here, I can write this put this in front of x, so which give me x squared minus open bracket alpha plus beta close bracket times x equal plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So please take note on this equation here. Now let's focus on ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now if I divide everything by a in this equation here, divide by a, of course this cancel out and this still give me 0 of course, so which is give me this equation here. So now what I do, we can just compare the coefficient of x and the coefficient of this. So therefore minus open bracket alpha plus beta close bracket is equal to b over a. Now if I times negative on both sides, so which give me alpha plus beta is equal to negative b over a. Please take note of this equation here. And if I compare alpha beta and this here, so this means that alpha beta is equal to c over a. So please take note on these equations, this and this. So if you can remember this, that'd be great. Now we're gonna use these three equations to do the following questions here. Find the quadratic equation if the two roots alpha beta are 2 and minus 3. So to find this equation, so we know that x is equal to 2 or x equal negative 3. I'm gonna do two methods. So this is the first method. So to do this is just come from this one here. See, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now if I expand this out, this give me x squared. This time this give me plus 3x. This time this give you minus 2x. And this time together give you minus 6. And which is equal to 0. Then I simplify. So it gives me 3x minus 2x is x. And a minus 6 equals 0. This is the equation. Okay, had the solution of x equal to 2 and x equal negative 3. Now, I just cleared this. I'm going to use another method. So the method we use is just the general equation with alpha and beta. So we know the general equation for this is that. Now, we work out alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus negative 3, which is minus 1. And then alpha beta is 2 lots of minus 3, which is minus 6. So therefore, this is negative 1 and this is minus 6. So minus minus give me a plus. So this give me the equation here. So therefore, x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0 is the equation for that. Now, what happens if alpha is equal to 5 plus root 3 and beta is 5 minus root 3? So to do the first method is rather hard. So we're just using the method that involving alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to this. So which is root 3 minus root 3 cancel out, which is 10. And then alpha beta is this. So this one, if you recognize it, it's actually is a difference of 2 square. So that means it becomes 5 square minus root 3 square. Of course, root 3 square is 3, and then 5 square is 25. So 25 minus 3. So that's what I get. So 25 minus 3 is 22. So now all we need to do is just substitute into general form. So which is alpha minus, x squared minus alpha plus beta, which is equal to x squared minus 10x, and then plus 22 equals 0. So just keep that in mind. That's the answer. Find the quadratic equation 5x squared plus 2x minus 5 has roots alpha and beta. Find the value of alpha plus beta. So we know that alpha plus beta is negative b over a. So which give me minus 2 over 5, because a is 5, b is 2, c is negative 5. So minus 2 over 5 is the alpha plus beta. Find the value of alpha beta. So alpha beta, we know that is c over a. C is minus 5, a is 5, so minus 5 over 5, which is negative 1. Now, part C. So alpha 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. So just adding fraction, that's all. So just time by alpha beta, time beta, and this one here I time by alpha, time by alpha. So the common denominator is alpha beta. So if we time them up, this is what I get, alpha plus beta. And do not forget, of course, alpha plus beta is the same as beta plus alpha. So we know from first part, alpha plus beta is equal to negative 2 over 5. So that become negative 2 over 5 divided by alpha beta is minus 1. So the answer is just 2/5. Now, next part, alpha square plus beta square. So you know that alpha plus beta all square is give me, now perfect square. If I expand this out, that give me alpha square. Alpha times beta is alpha beta, and I double it. So 2 alpha beta, that's how you expand out. And then plus beta square, of course. Now, if I move this term here on this side, so which give me alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. So this is what I get. See? So I just clear this first. Now, all I need to do, I just substitute the value in, because we already figured out in first part. So alpha plus beta square, which is equal to this. And 2 lots of alpha beta is just 2 lots of minus 1. Just substitute the value in, that's all. And then using calculator, I get this. So the answer is 1 and 4 over 25. Now, find 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. Of course, I time this by beta square, and time this by alpha square, because I'm looking for common denominator. So alpha square. So which give me beta square plus alpha square over alpha square beta square. That's what I get. So this is what I get. I just clear this first. So now I just work it out from previous part, because alpha plus beta square from previous part, alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta. If not, you can derive it yourself. And otherwise, just use second part. Or over, now remember alpha square times beta square is the same as alpha beta all square. Now, all I need to do is just substitute the value in from first part. So which is this. And then I just put in the calculator. Of course, you can do in your head if you like. Otherwise, just use calculator. So that's what I get. Last one here. Now, alpha cube plus beta cube. Of course, you need to factorize. So alpha cube plus beta cube is, to factorize this, equal alpha plus beta. And then alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square. Now, don't forget alpha square plus beta square from previous part. And we know that is equal to alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha beta. So now this is just the same as alpha plus beta, and then alpha square plus beta square. It give me this one here, so just write this square, of course. So you go alpha plus beta all square minus alpha beta and minus alpha beta again. This is 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta. So now it's just this. And just write it out. So this is alpha plus beta all square minus 3 lots of alpha beta. That's it. So that's how I get. I just explain it to you, and that's what it is. And then equal this. I just clear this first, so make it easier to see. And then that's what I get. And then I just substitute the value in. So this give me that, and just put in your calculator. Otherwise, you can just do it yourself. 2 over -2/5, and then 24 over 25 minus become +3, and then just work that out. That's the answer. So the answer is -1 and 33 over 125. Thank you so much for watching.